What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Christian, aka Moon. So, part of my order this week came in already. I already got one of them in right now. It's Govee light bulbs. That's the box. I just had the box. Hold on. I know doggone well I just had that box. That's not the one I need. There it is. I'll put it up here with my snacks and stuff. So, I got a 4-pack of these. I got one in my right now, so I'm going to try to test that right now with the whole lighting thing. Alexa, make the light purple. See how it's purple now? Alexa, turn the light warm. I guess it. Alexa, turn the light warm light. Okay, I guess I have to actually say the word light with it. So, oh well. Yeah, I got 4 of these and everything. I already set it up with my phone on both the Alexa app and the Govee app. So the next room I had to set up is my older brother's room because I got it also for him so that he can just sit there and say the same thing, but say to turn it off and everything at night. So, all right, but one of the other things I got was this. I hope I don't botch this. Batana oil. It's to help thicken, make your hair fuller, and reduce hair thinning. It's basically a hair mask, but also with helps with hair growth, repair, and nourishes your scalp. Which I do have a problem with that and everything. So let's have a little smell of it. And no, this week I did not get any more Bath and Body Works sanitizers. I was debating, but not this week. Next week I probably will, or might not. Next week I'm definitely am getting my older brother his mini fridge, and it's going to be put into our shed so that he doesn't at all find it. Because that's the one thing that definitely he's going to have to wait till Christmas time. But I'm also going to get him a drip tray for it as well. So that's on the list as well. And then I got some other stuff in there. And then I got a list ready for it to get for my mom for Christmas. And then go from there. So my younger brother, he probably won't sit there and complain much about not getting anything. He really doesn't actually really care as much as everybody else does. Well, my mom doesn't care either, but she's my mom, so I'm gonna do what I want for her. She's raised me my whole entire life, basically, and I would not be who I am if it wasn't for her. Okay. Okay, well, this doesn't say anything about the hair being wet or anything like that, so let's give this a smell. I hope it doesn't smell bad or anything. That would suck if it did. Doesn't smell bad, but it smells like just like cream, like a what what a what a unscented cream would smell like. Best I can describe it. Ugh. I hate when it just sits there and doesn't do the way I like it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like peanut butter. But yeah, it just smells like unscented cream. I'll fix that later. And I'll put some in my hair and see how it works and everything. If it does anything good, then I'll recommend it. If it doesn't really do anything, I'll just sit there and might still recommend it, but it just won't be for something for me, and I'll just try something else. So, all right. My mom unfortunately went through one of the packages, so I got him some Dragon Ball designed underwear. I really wish she didn't do that because I told her what it was, but she don't listen. Also got him some more of these, more sleeves. I might actually take these sleeves for myself actually because I got myself some cards for myself, and I'm just debating whether or not and everything. I might still give it to him because I still have all those cards that I haven't gave him yet, and those cards are gonna be for him for Christmas. So we'll see from there. And final for today, because I have 3 more products coming in tomorrow, and then I think 1 or 2 coming in Saturday. Oh, that's what it. Right in the corners. Where did I put my? Yeah, that's what I need. I need my little cloud butt cutter. This thing is so cute looking. I got a whole bunch of them and everything. I got purples, I got pinks, I got whites, I got blues. So Dragon Ball Z, yeah, Dragon Ball Z socks for him because he's really into Dragon Ball Z. He's starting to get into the whole Yu-Gi-Oh. He's into Power Rangers. He's starting to get into a little bit more of the anime stuff. But that's all the stuff that I got so far. Like I said, the other ones are coming in tomorrow and Sunday. So I had today off, so that's a good thing. Then I go to work tomorrow, and then after that, I'm off Saturday and Sunday. Then I work Monday through Thursday, off that Saturday and Sunday, off Monday and Tuesday, work that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and off Saturday, Sunday again. So my schedule is a little bit weird the next couple weeks, but it might change. So, but I believe that this week's schedule is just set in stone. So, well, this week and the week coming up, I think those ones are set in stone. I did have to do 6 hours of PTO this week because I ended up getting sick the other day. But I'm fine now. I guess it's my stomach just couldn't deal with the ice cream that I ate at the time. That's fine. It's whatever. I know y'all saw a shift in the light and everything. That was due to the fact that my screensaver for my TV cut on because I hadn't clicked the play button for the Crunchyroll. So yeah, that's practically it for now. I might wait until Sunday to do the next one. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know yet. So we'll see. Peace.